Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wa salatu wa salamu ala Rasulillah. Amazing Arabic, an extremely powerful yet an easy language. I'll compare Arabic with English, Hindi and Telugu because I know these languages and I love them all. So let's take the first impression. You start the study of any language with its letters. So let's take the first letter of other languages and compare them with Arabic. The first letter in English is written with 3 strokes, A, okay, and in Hindi you write it with half circle, another half circle, and a line and a line and a line. In Telugu you write it with a circle, a half circle, another circle and a line. And in Greek you write it with a line and a half circle and a line. And in Arabic, just one vertical line. Which language is the easiest one? Let's take alphabet shapes. In English you have 26 capital letters and 26 small letters and almost 40 shapes. In Greek, again almost 40 shapes. In Hindi, almost 40, in fact more. In Telugu, also a flowery language, almost 40. And Arabic, 29? No. Ba, ta, tha have the same shape. Jim, ha, kha have the same shape. Dal and dal, same shape. Ra and za, same shape. You need only 20 shapes. Now tell me which language is easy? Arabic. Now let's take writing in Arabic. Let's write a word masjid. In English, you have to write every letter M-A-S-J-I-D. You cannot shorten anything. Masjid in Hindi, masjid in Telugu, masjid in Greek. So in almost every language you have to write complete letters. But in Arabic, well, before we continue, I am Abdulazeez. Next time you see me, you don't have to look at me from the top of my face to my toes to know that I am Abdulazeez. My face is enough for you to know me. Arabic does the same. It uses the faces of letters and joins them. For example, Masjid, take the face of Meen and the face of Seen and the face of Jeen, join it with Dal, Masjid. Which language in this world uses the faces of letters in writing? I mean the famous languages. It is Arabic. So, isn't Arabic amazing? Let's learn it. Visit understandquran.com, where we teach you how to learn Arabic in a unique way. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.